Hey guys, I am Hasir Khan. Most welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about one of the significant topic, the habits. Yes, if I will say this topic may be basic and fundamental over the habits, so I think it will be not wrong. Guys, before move to further, let us talk one of the impactful quotation. What we are, what we do repeatedly, excellence. Therefore, it is not an act but a habit. And moreover, we can't change our future, but we can change our habits. These habits will be change our future. The great Aristotle said 95% what people everything they do just because of result of their habits. Here we do divide normally two types of habits, good habits and bad habits. Good habits are hard to form and easy to live with it. But bad habits is easy to form and hard to live with. Guys, once we know to develop good habit, we need to know the methods, process, principle, how it could be possible. So good news is we can develop all the habits by learn and unlearn through the process and principle of the repetition and have a chance to make them master over all the bad habits. So once we understood the way, the method, the process, how we can exchanges all the bad habits, so we needed to find the way to replace all the good habits over the bad habits. Here all the study has been showed by most of the greatest people, most of the successful people, wealthy people. They share their journey, their views, their steps, how they had been arrived on their pinnacle place. They made their dream came true, how it could has been possible. So here I am going to share some steps which can help to develop a good habits and make them master over all of the bad habits. It mostly depends all the successful wealthy people, their daily routine of life, their daily schedules does all the matters. So here we go. Daily goal setting. Most of the successful peoples already set and make their daily goal setting before going to the bed for sleep. They do plan for next day what they are going to do. They may be planned as a 3 time goals, at morning goal, at noon goal, at evening goals, according their base or maybe priorities. Next point is be result oriented. Guys, all the segments, peoples chasing their dreams, results, goals, they want to come true and definitely they would like to accomplish their dreams or objective goals. So here we needed to focus according our task on our priority basis. Followed we could be do some daily activity campaign or activity technique to find the better result or optimum result out of your daily goal setting planner. Next point is be people oriented. Yes, without people we couldn't be survive anymore about our dreams, about our goals. So we needed to ready to help each other, support, cooperation, coordination with each one so that we will be become a more network creating man or person. This will truly help to develop core, pleasant, amicably, and kindness personality before to developing the relation with others. Here, most of the salespeople think most of the time in a day about their customer. They are keep seeking the problem of the customer. So undoubtedly, they go forward and find the problem of the customers and really they make solve them and finally generate the good volume of the business. So this is the key factor about every sales and vision minds. Next point is stay health oriented. Most of the successful peoples, wealthy peoples who had accomplished their dreams, they always emphasized this significant point and every day they do follow daily routine of life and our morning ritual power. They maintained first physical exercise, physical energies more, so they obviously move and go far than others because they have connected their daily routine of schedule about physical point of view, stamina, energy levels much higher than others. So they become more conscious what they should take as a food point of view, what will be suitable for them, what not, which exercise, which meditation or stretching will benefit according the base of the structure of the body. So they do prefer every single day physical exercise. For a part of that, they also focus to develop as a mental exercise, as a mental diet, what they would like to feed to our mentals. So they most of the times while traveling, while have a free of times, they are reading all the successful biographies, scriptures, and holy books, and they deeply connected from the nature and try to keep searching most of the time in a day the positive way, the positive sense, the positive neurotransmitter. So this little by little habit they have converted most of the free time they devoted for their preferencing to developing their positive neurotransmitter in the brain. So they become more stronger mental toughness than an ordinary man. And a part of this, they also focused about their spiritual health. What is the condition health, spiritual health? So this is also vital uh, pillar to develop our core foundation of the health. Once they started to seeking the way of kindness through the natural superpower connectivity, they devotionally all most of the times whenever got an opportunity to charity or they are developing relations with other, they have a courage to take an initiative. If had done any mistakes, they have more confession and acceptance. So they do connected from the nature, from our creators while they are doing praying, meditating, and gratitude towards the nature and our creators. So by this divine power connected while they developing this habit every single day according their fixed time. Next point is be stay honesty. Yes. Once this physical align they have developed physically, mentally, spiritually, they are ready to focus the synergy levels. They are going to change any pattern or negative habits. They mostly work out over their spirit what they are going to do. This is a ethic or unethic. So they would try to stay connected honestly. They have a deep self-realizations. They have a courage to confess on their mistakes. They would prefer to delete most of the inferior complex from their heart and soul, and they will prefer to uh, ready to do honestly all the work and say most of the time trustfully. So this make them more stronger personality, good decision maker, and they do think before to do any work. And next point is discipline. Yes, this is one of the core pillar point to develop a new habit. Friends, what is the discipline? Here, the ability to make yourself to do things as an actions, as an duties, your task, and your liabilities. What you are doing, what you should do, when you should do, whether you would like it or not like it. But once you are ready to do the things, but it should be followed every single day, every times what you have decided. And next point, the consistency. This will repetitions, what point I had shared from all of you. Once you do repeatedly every single day without skipping or sedentary lifestyle, keep touching and keep following every point once a daily, according your times as you fixed and decided, and you done your decided task. You need to repeatedly follow up every single day what you time decided. So these are some simple points about to developing new habits. There have a chance to delete most of the bad habits which already we have us. So my dear friends, this was a topic about the habits. If you really like and enjoy about to developing new habits, so kindly leave your comments and subscribe my channels and press over the bell icon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Have a nice day. Bye bye.